Standard 7 Subject Science है Chapter 1 है Nutrition in Plants. Number 1 आज define करवाऊँगी. Number 1 Nutrition, a process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Next, number 2 Photosynthesis, a process by which green plants utilize carbon dioxide and water for to synthesize their food in presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Number 3 Autotrophic Nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their food by themselves from simple substance is called autotrophic nutrition. Next, number 4 Heterotrophic organisms, the mode of nutrition in which the organism depend on plants or animals for their food requirement are called heterotrophic organism. Parasitic organism. Next step, parasitic organism. An organism that depend on living organism for their nutrition is known as parasitic organism. Next, number 6 host, as an organism on which parasite depends for nutrition is called a host. Heterotrophic plant, a plant that obtains nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called heterotrophic plant. Next, answer the following question in short. How do the raw materials for the synthesis of food in plant reach the leaves? Answer आएगा, leaves are food factories of plants. The synthesis of food in plants occur in leaves. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves by the vessels. Carbon dioxide from here is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Sunlight is available during daytime and chlorophyll is already present in leaves. Explain the statement life is impossible on the earth is absence of photosynthesis. Answer आएगा, green plants prepare food by photosynthesis with the use of solar energy and release oxygen gas. On animals on the earth directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their food requirement. Living organisms use oxygen for respiration, which is produced during the process of photosynthesis. Thus, two basic requirements for life, that is nutrition and respiration, are fulfilled by photosynthesis. So, life does not exist in absence of photosynthesis. Next, number 3 है, how do plants synthesize protein? Answer आएगा, plants synthesize carbohydrates during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are the constituents of carbohydrate, but for protein synthesized nitrogen is essential besides carbon. Hydrogen and oxygen plant is unable to utilize free nitrogen from air. Some soil, bacteria and algae convert atmospheric nitrogen into its soluble form. Farmers add nitrogen fertilizer in soil. Such soluble forms of nitrogen are absorbed by plants. Thus, protein synthesis occurs in plants through metabolism of carbohydrates into nitrogen. Next number, how do plants with red, brown or yellow leaves Answer आएगा, plants with red, brown or yellow leaves produce red, brown or yellow pigments, respectively the leaves other than green. Ultraviolet, the large amount of red, brown and other pigments mask the chlorophyll. Thus, the part of leaves which is even non-gray produce chlorophyll. So, photosynthesis yellow leaves. Brown transverse section of leaf indicate the location of stoma in it and explain in short about it. The tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves of plant are called stomata. Each pore is surrounded by guard cells. The guard cells function as opening and ये आपको यहाँ पे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके बताया है जो आपको करना है। नेक्स्ट नंबर 6, हाउ आर फंगी बेनिफिट हाउ आर दे हार्मफुल। बेनिफिट्स ऑफ फंगी आर एज फॉलोज। नंबर 1, yeast and mushroom are used in food. Number 2, fungi decompose dead matter. Fungi are harmful in following ways. Number 1, fungi spoil edible items such as pickles, bread, roti and make them non-edible. Number 2, some fungi cause disease in plants, animals and animals. Number 3, fungi spoil bitters, oils and other articles in hot and humid weather. What is symbiotic relationship? Can we give an example? Two organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This is called symbiotic relationship. In the relationship, both organisms are beneficial to each other. For example, lichens show symbiotic relationship between chlorophyll containing partner alga and fungus. Fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to alga. In return, the alga provides food which it prepares by photosynthesis. Brief explanation about cell. Cell is a building block of body. The bodies of living organisms are made of tiny until fluid cells. Cell can be seen only under the microscope. Some organisms are made of only one cell, while most of the organisms are made of many cells. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called the cell membrane. Most cells have a cytological distinct spherical structure called the nucleus. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance enclosed by a cell membrane. अभी नेक्स्ट जो साइंटिफिक रीज़न है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कराऊंगी। ये आपको क्लासों की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।